How are the kids?
They're doing well.
How old are they now?
Mike is 18. He's in college. Janet is 16. She's in high school.
Wow, they're growing up.
I know. They're growing up too fast.
How are the kids doing?
They are so busy with sports.
What do they play?
Jenny plays softball and Luke plays baseball.
You must be busy with games.
There are games every weekend.
Isn't it fun to watch?
It is so much fun to watch and cheer the teams on.
I miss those days. My kids are all in college now.
Time is too short.
I am so busy.
What's going on?
I have an important report due tomorrow.
Are you almost done?
No, and I'm starting to feel sick.
You better get some rest before you get sicker.
I don't have time to rest.
What are you doing this weekend?
I have so much to do.
Why are you always so busy?
Because I have 2 jobs and I go to school part-time.
I'm sorry. Did I make you upset?
No, I just have a lot of stress.
Can I help you?
Not really. It's just work and school stuff.
You need to make time for yourself.
I know. Let's get dinner together next weekend.
I was on the phone for an hour.
Who were you talking to for an hour?
Sam, an old friend from college.
When is the last time you talked to him?
At college graduation.
Wow, that was 30 years ago.
We had a lot of catching up to do.
Do you remember our 10th birthday?
Yes, we got a puppy that year.
I miss that puppy.
Me too. He had a great name.
Actually, I don't remember his name.
How could you forget his name? His name was Buster.
Oh, yeah. It was a sad day when Buster died.
I never wanted another dog after that.
How old was Buster when he died?
You don't remember anything. He was 14 years old.
Let's go to the party.
I don't feel like it.
Why? It's Friday night.
I want to watch movies in my pajamas.
Come on. Brad is going to be there.
Okay, I'll go for an hour.
I'm thinking about getting a motorcycle.
Are you crazy? Motorcycles are dangerous.
I'll be careful.
I really wish you would not get one.
Why? What's the problem?
I would be worried all the time.
Okay, I won't get one. I'll find something else to do.
Did you hear about Molly and Dan?
No, what's going on?
They're getting a divorce.
Really? They've been married for 30 years.
Dan cheated on Molly.
That is awful.
Can you help me move some furniture?
I hurt my back.
When did you hurt your back?
Yesterday.
Really? I saw you playing tennis at the gym this morning.
I'm sorry. I was trying to get out of helping.
Have you met Joanne, my new roommate?
No, I have not.
I'll introduce you when she gets home.
Okay, is she nice?
She's really nice. She's our age, too.
Cool. We should take her to the coffee shop later.
Great idea.
Let's sell the house.
Why? I love this house.
It's too much work to take care of.
We raised 4 kids in this house.
They're all grown up now.
There would be no memories in a new house.
We would make new memories.
I really don't want to move, Carl.
Okay, I understand. You talked me out of it.
Do you want to go to Lisa's party?
No, not really.
Let's tell her we're sick.
Both of us are sick?
Yeah, we're roommates. She'll believe it.
I feel bad about lying, but I really don't want to go to her party.
I had lunch with Sue today.
Your ex-girlfriend.
Yes, we bumped into each other at the store.
She's back in town?
Yeah, she moved back last month.
Are you going to see her again?
I'm single now, so I asked her on a date.
What did she say?
Yes, we have more catching up to do.
Ask Sue if she keeps in touch with Karen, my ex-girlfriend.
I need to introduce you to my new roommate.
What is her name?
Maria. She's from Spain.
What is she doing here?
She's a foreign exchange student.
That's cool.
She's really nice. She's taught me some Spanish words.
I'm taking Spanish right now.
You should try speaking Spanish to her.
I'll try. Hopefully she won't laugh at me. Did you hear the office rumor?
No, I didn't. What's happening?
They're going to lay off several people this month.
Where did you hear this?
I heard it from Bill.
Are you worried?
Yes, I've only been here for 6 months.
Then I should be more worried than you.
Why? Everyone likes you here.
I've only been here for 4 months.
Do you remember when we were kids?
Yes, you were mean to me.
No, I wasn't.
Yes, you were. You used to take my toys.
I did? I'm sorry.
That's okay. You're a great brother now.
You need a new look.
What's wrong with my look?
You should cut your hair. It's old-fashioned.
I like my long hair.
Try something new.
I'm afraid to.
It's just hair. It'll grow back.
Maybe I will. It's hard to maintain this long hair.
Let's go to the salon now.
Okay, you talked me into it.
Hey, can you give me a ride to the airport?
When?
Tomorrow morning.
I'm sorry, but my car is in the shop.
How long has it been in the shop?
A couple of days.
That's interesting.
What's interesting?
I saw you washing your car this morning.
You did? I'm sorry I lied. I just hate morning traffic.
You always try to get out of helping me.
Do you want to go to the concert tonight?
Do you have tickets?
Yes, I got 2 tickets from my boss. She can't go.
I would love to go, but what about Cindy?
I only have 2 tickets.
What if she finds out? She'll be so sad.
I can't give up these tickets. They are front row seats.
Front row? Let's tell Cindy that we have to work late.
Don't you want to buy a concert t-shirt?
Then she'll know we went to the concert.
We'll get her one and tell her that my boss got them for us.
Okay, that's a good lie.